median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode.
How do you find the mean?
Add up the numbers in the data set. Divide the total by the number of items. The answer is the mean or average. Mean, median, and mode.
But how do you find the median?
Arrange the numbers in order from the lowest to the highest values. The middle number is the median for an odd number of items. The average of two middle numbers is the median for an even number of items. Mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode.
How do you find the mode?
Just find the number that repeats most often, and that number is the mode. If you find no number that repeats most often, then there is no mode. Mean, median, and mode.
At first I was afraid, what could the answer be? It said, given this position, find velocity. So I tried to work it out, but I knew that I was wrong. I struggled, I cried, a problem shouldn't take this long. I tried to think, control my nerve. It's evident that speed's tangential to that time position curve. This problem would be mine if I just knew that tangent line, but what to do? Show me a sign. So I thought back to calculus, way back to Newton and to Leibniz and to problems just like this. And just like that, when I had given up all hope, I said nope. There's just one way to find that slope, and so now I will derive, find the derivative of x position with respect to time. It's as easy as can be, just have to take dx dt. I will derive, hey, hey.
What you know about math? Hey, don't you know I represent math lead when I add shorty subtract freshman backpack where I hold in all my work at. What you know about math? What you know about math? What you know about math? I know all about math. Answer's 44, it's real easy cause of sig figs. You got 45, you rounded high, your answer's too big. What you know about math? What you know about math? What you know about math? I know all about math. GR84 silver edition, know I'm shining, dog. Extra memory on the back to do my natural law. You know we multiply while memorizing pi. Take limits to the sky, be sure to simplify. Graphing utility, it's trigonometry. 100 I'm at B, don't you cheat off me. Distance is rate times time, the sine graph ain't no line. Exponential decline, what's yours can't be mine. We're memorizing braids for our metric states against the metric grades, not getting many dates. I got to find a mate, but girls just play a hate and always make me wait. Can't
Don't
even
you know I represent math lead when I add shorty subtract freshman backpack where I hold in all my work at.
What you know about math? What you know about math? What you know about math?
I know all about math.
Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep, being fair when there's something to share, being neat when you're folding a sheet. That's mathematics when a ball bounces off of a wall, when you cook from a recipe book, when you know how much money you owe. That's mathematics. How much gold can you hold in an elephant's ear? When it's noon on the moon, then what time is it here? If you could count for a year, would you get to infinity or somewhere in that vicinity? When you choose how much postage to use, when you know what's the chance it will snow, when you bet and you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics. Andrew Wiles gently smiles, does his thing, and voila, QED, we agree, and we all shout hurrah, as he confirms what Fermat jotted down in that margin, which could have used some enlarging. Tap your feet, keep in time to a beat of a song. While you're singing along, harmonize with the rest of the guys. Yes, try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.
This is Nancy E.T. Johnson, mathematics teacher, and this is how to solve word problems. Word problems can be very challenging to many students, and some of the basic things to think about when you're trying to solve a word problem is to figure out what are the facts and what is being asked for. A college student plans to spend $420 on books for one semester. He also plans to spend $20 per week on pizza. The fall semester is 18 weeks long. How much will he need for books and pizza? Basically, we have some facts here. The student is going to be spending some money. He spends $420 on books, and he's spending $20 per week on pizza. The actual items that he's spending the money on really don't affect the numbers that come out of this problem, but they're all in there as part of the context. We need to add the $420 and the $20 per week. But this amount is going to, or this information is going to require us to look for this other fact, that the fall semester is 18 weeks long. So we're going to take the $20 he's spending each week and multiply times 18 the number of weeks. So he's spending $360 on pizza for the semester and $420 on books for the semester. If we want to know how much he's going to spend for both the books and the pizza, then we need to add these things together. And of course, to complete a word problem, the best thing is to answer the question just turning the words around and putting in the numbers. How much will he need for books and pizza? He will need $780 for books and pizza.
vicinity.